Hey, it's your girl India Ray, and it's day 5. It's day 5 on my vacation. Right now I'm headed to breakfast. It's 6:40. We got about a couple minutes before we can actually get off the ship. Everybody should be at breakfast right now, so I'll probably just record as soon as we get off the ship like I did yesterday. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit when we also get settled in. We're in Cove. Amber Cove. Never been, never heard of it, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna see y'all later. Toodles. Can't see.
I got it.
Oh, okay. So, we're in Amber Cove, and now we're on our way to Plata. We're on our way to our excursion now, I'm assuming.
Spanish speaking people gonna be like, they did not say that right.
Right.
That is not where they at.
They got a couple shops in here. I'm gonna get me a shirt. But we're gonna get back to y'all maybe a little later. Actually, I'm gonna stay with y'all. I want y'all to see a little bit of Amber Cove. We gotta be back on the ship by 3:30. But the what's it called? It's supposed to drop us back off at 12:30. So we have enough time to shop and look around and stuff. Are we following these people here? Look at the Christmas tree, gingerbread.
It's the only one too. That's why. So like I told you, it's just 10-minute driving.
Tiger.
Yeah. Gotcha. See. So now let's sign the form. So also we have coffee. We have the organic coffee. We give you a shot of coffee when we get there. And the chocolate. Do you like chocolate? We give you a piece of chocolate. And at the end, if you want to buy something, you can go with the lady. They will be there the whole day, okay? So the time to go back to the ship. Okay, so we go back at 1:30. 1:30 local time. So make sure what time you have now, because I have 8:56 and this is local time. 8:56. Remember we have 1 hour ahead on you, so maybe you're running a ship time. 8:56 local time, and we're leaving at 1:30. Muy bien.
Okay.
So this is the public beach we have in this area. This area is called Cove Sea Bay. So we have a city that is 1 hour driving from here. The name is Santiago. In Santiago, they don't have a beach. So that's why every every Saturday, Sunday, they come here. A lot of people from there come here to have a good time. And like at 5, 6 p.m., you can see them walking like a zombie, because all of them drunk. A lot of people from Santiago come here because they don't have a beach, and this is the closest one they can have. So that's why it's full on Saturday, Sunday, weekends. Like you see, we already at Ocean World, and those are the water slides I told you. It's included for everybody. Also the umbrellas and the shade line we have from the main beach is included for everybody. I told you about the towels and the lockers, right? You got towels and lockers included. So here we have 4 groups, A and B. You belong to me. You'll be with angel number 1. C will be with Argenis. His nickname is The Rock, the Dominican Rock. And group, I told C is with The Rock, and D will be with Paola, is a lady. So when we get to the restaurant, we're gonna divide the groups after the welcome drink. So now you know which one will be your guide. A and B, Angel. Angel number 1. C, The Rock. And D with Paola. And this is the welcome waterfall. Was the name at the beginning, but we changed it. Now the new name is Free Car Wash. And it's because every day we have a lot of guys that they come in their car, and we thought that they came to the park, but it was not like that. They just come to pass by and they turn around back home.
They was dancing like crazy. I think we're headed to go to our excursion now. But look how beautiful it is out here. It is so pretty.
Right here.
Yes. I'm excited. This should be fun. I ain't gonna be scared. I forgot to bring like actual flip flops. I bought 2 things of size because in case one break, I can put on whatever. But I should have brought some slides. Dun, 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 dun,
I think
dun,
all I brought was shoes like this and heels.
Not that this is steep. I'm gonna say.
Yeah, I'm not trying to walk like a scallywag, but I'm coming out that way.
I wonder if they taking pictures of us with the Dolphin. I hope.
Here they are. Cause I gotta get one with them like kissing us on the mouth or
Yeah.
on the cheek. Don't be scared.
Well, now y'all know. Our excursion is with dolphins. I didn't say it, but I said it. I said it, but I didn't mean to. I said it, but I didn't. Morning.
I don't know how to say good morning in Spanish.
Buenos dias.
That's good day. Buenos. No, you're right.
That's good morning.
Buenos noches.
Night is buenos noches.
What's buenos tardes? Good afternoon?
Yes. Yes.
I texted a girl that's in my teaching cohort. She teaches Spanish. I said, girl, I'm in the Dominican Republic speaking French. I said, I need a lesson.
Look, right now, can you send us a template?
Yeah.
Taylor, say hi. Y'all look. Don't be scared, Taylor. How scared are you? Wait, did you see it?
Yeah.
Is that a dolphin? Yes. No way.
It's right here. Hey!
I can't freaking see.
Aww.
This is what it is to be 4'11".
Hi,
Hi.
Aww.
Thank you for being in my video. That was, oh my God.
Child, they up and moving.
Hi, how y'all doing?
Flipper. You guys ever seen that show?
Yeah.
What?
Flipper.
I ain't never seen Flipper.
Yes, we have.
The old one?
Yeah, it's on Netflix.
Wow. The old Flipper's on Netflix.
Yeah. Hi.
All last fish they knew was the movie.
How you doing, buddy?
Oh, buddy. He's so cute.
Hey, buddy.
It's really cool.
Awesome. Oh my god.
They're so majestic.
I can see them.
So obviously I couldn't reach the locker, so Nani got her opening.
Get ready for the Dolphin.
Spally Alley to the rescue.
So unfortunately we can't record while we're in the dolphin area, so I'll see you guys as soon as we are finished. So we just finished our dolphin. We just finished our dolphin experience. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. What you give it, Taylor?
20 out of 10.
20 out of 10. Yeah, it was pretty epic. It was pretty dope. What is that? I got a 10. It's my swimsuit. That's Taylor's swimsuit. But yeah, so I'm assuming we're about to head back and go eat or something. So I'm gonna get back to y'all a little later. Talk to you later. Say bye. I do. Where are you? Come here. I got some bird food, so we gonna see who comes over here. But they're not, because they're eating. Nani, look! It's on your head. What are you doing? What are you doing? You can have some. Oh my God, this is
Oh my God, I want one on my head so bad.
like y'all gonna be the ones that's gonna help her. Look who we ran into. Look up Dylan.
Trying to catch another fight?
And when I'm making one of mine, I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up. Don't know how you know. It broke, ain't gonna let me know. Yeah, we ain't done no TikToks. So we're back on the ship and I'm just chilling by the pool. I just got out of the pool because it was too cold. Unfortunately, it was too cold. Taylor all the way over there. I don't know why. She probably wanted to be more in the shade. But yeah, I don't think we have any more plans for this afternoon. The excursion was lit. Swimming with the dolphins was definitely lit. Watching all the shows and just being in Amber Cove. Amber Cove was really pretty. The weather was nice. The water was nice. It was not too salty. It wasn't very sandy. Like yesterday, we was really sandy. We got back on the ship and was just sand everywhere. But Amber Cove was real chill, real nice, real cool. So I loved it. I give it a 10 out of 10. So tomorrow we're going to San Juan, Puerto Rico, which I'm excited about. I've always wanted to go to Puerto Rico. So yeah, I'll probably vlog a little bit this afternoon. Right now I'm just gonna chill. We're not doing dinner tonight. We're just everybody gonna pick where they want to eat. You know, on their own, the buffet, whatever food places they want to eat at. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I'll probably talk to y'all tomorrow.